Invoice, basic functionality. To access the invoice system, click Invoices. If you are in level 5, you can also access the invoice system by clicking this icon. Then, you will be asked from options before going to the invoice system. In this case, the invoice system. To add a new invoice, click the Add icon. An initial invoice number is presented for first-timers. Then, you will be presented with two types of invoices to select. In this case, the invoice description is where you input the cost of the service to be calculated. Note that every number or cost inputted should have a money sign before the number. Now we put $100 to the invoice description. Then, suppose there is a discount which is $100. Here, also, you can add the word discount to the discount just to indicate its purpose. To calculate, click this button. Notice that the balance is still 0 in amount. That is because this invoice. To change the status to invoiced, paid, or void, click any of these buttons. To delete an invoice, click the delete icon. Note that you cannot delete